Where to watch K drama for free with English subtitles. If you're a fan of K dramas, you're probably looking for places to watch them for free and, of course, with English subtitles. Well, you're in luck. In today's video, I'll show you the best places where you can stream in K dramas without spending a dime. Let's dive right in. First up is Viki. Viki is one of the most popular platforms for watching K dramas for free. They offer a huge library of dramas with English subtitles, and the best part, you can watch many of the episodes for free with ads. While some content may require a premium subscription, the free version has tons of popular K dramas, including new releases with reliable English subtitles. Next up, we have Cocoa. It's another great streaming service, especially for Korean dramas. And while some content is paid, you can still watch many episodes for free, just like on Viki. Just visit cocoa.com or download the Cocoa app, browse the K dramas, and check if they're free. Watch with ads and enjoy English subtitles. Through the free trial, you can watch limited content. It is definitely worth checking out for its wide selection of K dramas. Another free option is Tubi TV. Tubi offers a variety of movies and shows, including some great K dramas, all for free with ads. Just go to tv.tv or download the TV app and search for simply K dramas and select a K drama to watch and enjoy it with English subtitles. Tubi is completely free, and with the selection of K drama isn't as vast as other platforms, it still has some solid options that are worth checking. Lastly, we have Kiss Asian. This is a free app with a various number of selected K dramas. They have a lot of free content with ads, so you can watch without paying. Just go to kissasian.com and you can find all the K dramas that has been there out there. And that's it. These are some of the best places to watch K dramas for free with English subtitles.